All right, update on the latest correction. Seems to be pretty much the only thing I'm making any videos about. But we were down 35% from the last time it touched the highs. Now, it has come to my level here. Like, this is sort of the last support level that I found, which coincided with the previous highs there. And that was down to about 41,000. Now, we've broken past that one. But what's happened as well is this 200 SMA has come up here for some support. So we are below that at the moment. From there, the next support on Bitcoin is around this 35,000 mark and then 28,000, which is a pretty strong one there. I don't think it's going to come that low. The RSI is also below 30, so that's historically a good time to buy because it's oversold. I'm assuming that this is going to hold its support over here and we're going to have a nice bounce and possibly either do this and go up or just go sort of like that up. But there's two scenarios. One is that this is the end of it, end of the dip, and we go off to greener skies. And the other one is that the bull run's actually over. That was the high, and then it's just going to keep sort of going like this down for the next few years. So just look at the analysis from the blockchain backer. This is another YouTuber. So this is what happened in the last bull run, I think in 2017. So what happened was, this is like near the end of the bull run. It put in like an all-time high there, got rejected, and then came back up, retested it, and then came down one more time. But it came down like a bit below the last all-time high to around by like a few percentage there, just because people would have put their stop losses right here for when they bought in, and then it came out, took out those stop losses, and then came a little bit lower. So this is, I think he posted this yesterday. So this is what's happening right now. You can see it's pretty similar. That's the same thing there. Broke above it, came back to kind of retest it, and then came back down. So this was yesterday, and now we're at 39,000, I think, so we're a little bit lower here. And so that's just underneath, just kind of where it was in the last bull run, just dipping a little bit below the last high, just to scare everyone out of the position, and then it just took off after that. So if we go back to the Bitcoin chart, so that's where it was, the last all-time high, and this is where we are now. So could still go a little bit more, maybe to 38 or something like that, but I'm hoping that it's going to follow that same pattern, but who really knows? But if it does, this is going to be a really, really great time to buy, and probably the last good time to buy before everything takes off. So if I go into the coins that we're looking at, XLM, yep. So last video, it wasn't at a great price. Now it kind of is. We've got the 50 MA there, ready to go, and so 55,000 was the price to buy XLM. 55 cents. XRP is it's dipped a lot, but it's still not at that golden time to buy. It just has come down a little bit. So it was just 10% down. Really, the time to buy is around this $1.25 sort of mark. But if we assume that Bitcoin keeps going up, then it's probably not going to ever touch that again and just keep going up from here. But if you're not already in XRP, I probably wouldn't get in until it comes back up here, retests it strongly, and then goes up. Litecoin might be at a buy. Not a bad place to buy Litecoin, 260. The best place is at 235 though. Really strong support there. ETH has come down a shitload from the highs. We're down like 30%, which technically is not actually that much because it's kind of doubled in the last month or so from the last all-time high. It's gone up like 125%. So really coming down 30% is jack shit. But we've got 50 MA there. It has broken below that. So if it doesn't hold, we're looking to possibly retest this $2,500 mark. That'd be a great time to buy if you're not already in Ether or if you want to add a little bit more. Otherwise, I wouldn't be buying in this zone here. It's not really a vibe at all. Reef is looking like we're still in between the swing. Still got my order in here, and I've still got one packet at 34, and then still got my order in at 28, or 26, sorry. So maybe not the time to buy on Reef. Dent looks like absolute garbage. Broke through the support there. I'm in actually 2 packets on Dent, so I'm actually down a decent amount right now, but I've got them like kind of lower. The next good support is at this 200-day moving average, which coincides with another support at 37. So if I was going to buy Dent again, it would be here, but I'm already in 2 packets, so this is going to be a long-term hold for me, or medium-term hold. Hopefully I don't lose too much on that one, but that's a shit trade for me. Would not recommend unless it's at this level. Cardano, just got a packet in right here at 160, coinciding with these kind of highs over here. I would get another packet at 140 if it comes there, but I'm happy to be in Cardano. I feel like it's going up to at least $5. So yeah, let's see. Although we're a little bit higher than the 160 mark here. So just monitor that one, put an order 160 and another, like maybe another half at 140. Decentraland just clocked this one at $1. However, we've just broken through our support level there. So not sure how low we're going to go. There is the next support at 82. Good for a little buy there. And then I don't think we'll lose that, but if we do, this 200 should move up to the 60-cent mark, and then we can go for a move upward. But this is probably the strongest support around here, with the next one being at this 83 mark. SFP, got 2 bags in this. This has been nothing but a shit show for me. I thought it had a great price. I bought it at $1.70, and it's just broken that again. I think this is the last break, just like Bitcoin. It's just broken the support just as a sort of a fake out to the downside, just to close all, just to hit all the stop losses, and then hopefully we're going to see a run up. Could just shit itself completely, but this is what I'm hoping it's going to be. TLM, a few people have gotten into this one. This looks like a good price, actually, 28. It is below support, with the next support sort of being at the 26 and 21. Not a bad price here if we're hoping to get back to the recent highs. Yeah, we got like a quadruple price in there if you can grab it around here. Although, there is a lot of downside potential. BZX support here. I like this one. I'm in for a bag already at 60, so down a little bit on that, but this is beautiful support. 56. A better one with the 200 moving average at 45. So if it comes down more, 45, or maybe a half bag here on BZX, and that's pretty much it. Oh, VeChain is the last one. The only thing is we broke the support, but we come down to this new support at 12. Yeah, I like this. I'm probably going to put in a bag here at, let's say 13. We'll cut the difference and go 13 on VeChain. If something really bad happens, we're probably going to come down to this 80 mark, which will coincide with the 200, and probably move up there. So maybe half bagger here on VeChain. But a lot of people like VeChain, and now we're finally at like a good price. From the highs, we're down 50%. I like that for a buy. Yeah, it could probably come down a little bit more. If we come down to this level, it'll be 70% down, and I don't think shit's going to come down lower than that. SHIB took an absolute garbage trade on this one around here, and yeah, we've broken my support, and we're down a bit, about almost 20% on that one. Look, I'm hoping it bounces from here. We're at a support level again. So if you are going to take a trade, this is a nice trade. But I would keep a short stop over here because I don't know how much fucking lower this can go. I should have sold at a 10% loss after it broke this trend line. But I wanted to hodl the shitcoin, so that was a bad move on my part. But yeah, a lot of things are at a good price. Just make sure it is at a support level. Like some of them are not. Even XRP, even though it's gone down, it's still not at the support. So not a great time to buy. But yeah, the ones that I mentioned, Reef, Dent, Cardano, Decentraland, these ones over here. Yeah, look into them. I think if it follows what I'm thinking, we should have a bounce here. If we see it coming down, then I would be selling everything and buying back in a bit lower. But yeah, that's it for now.